Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install a K&N cold air intake on this 2007 Dodge Ram 1500 with a 5.7 Hemi. Without further ado, let's get right into it. Step 1, you want to make sure that the vehicle is turned off and disconnect the negative cable from the battery. Step 2, with the 8mm socket, you want to loosen the hose clamp that connects from the intake tube to the resonator box, and then remove the intake tube. Step 3. You want to remove the air box from the mounting studs and remove the crankcase vent hose. Step 4. Disconnect the electrical air temperature sensor connection. Step 5. With a 10mm socket, you want to loosen the 2 bolts that hold the resonator box onto the engine. Step 6. With the needle nose plier, disconnect the crankcase vent hose from the oil filler. Step 7. Remove the resonator box from the vehicle. Step 8. Remove the factory rubber hose from the throttle body. Step 9. Remove the 2 rubber bushings from the factory air box. Step 10. Install the 2 rubber bushings that were removed from the factory air box into the brackets. Note, you may want to use a flathead screwdriver to pry the bushings into its rightful place. Step 11. Install the large Z bracket onto the heat shield with the provided hardware. Note, do not over tighten. The pattern is bolt, washer, install, and at the other end is washer and then nut. With your 7/16 ratcheting wrench, hold one side and with your 11mm socket, tighten the other side. Step 12. Install the L bracket onto the heat shield with the provided hardware. The pattern is bolt, wash, install, washer, and then nut. Step 13. Install the rubber mounted stud into the provided bracket along with the washer and nut. Step 14. Install the provided edge trim onto the heat shield and trim if necessary. Step 15. Remove the 13 mm bolt with the ratcheting wrench from the fan shroud. Step 16. Install the L bracket onto the fan shroud. Step 17. Remove the 13 mm bolt that retains the airbox mount. Step 18. Install the twisted L bracket with the bolt that was removed. Step 19. Assemble the mounting bracket. Saddle bracket, bolt, cup washer, and then nut. After that, install the bottom bracket into the engine block and use a 10 mm socket. Step 20. Install the heat shield onto the factory airbox studs and then mount them to the previously installed brackets. Step 21. Remove the air temperature sensor and also remove the O-ring. Step 22. Install the provided grommet into the air intake tube. Step 23. Install the air temperature sensor into the K&N intake tube. Step 24. Install the silicone hose along with the provided hose clamps onto the throttle body. Step 25. Install the new K&N intake tube onto the throttle body. Step 26. Using the provided hose clamp, secure the K&N intake tube to the saddle bracket assembly. Step 27. Connect the provided vent hose onto the oil fill, then onto the new intake tube. And there you have it. K&N cold air intake installed and ready to go. Now your vehicle will be ready to have a better airflow, increase in horsepower, and better fuel efficiency. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, but also to hit that bell notification. Till next time.